Necessary to install Grant Classic Series, Challenger Series or Signature Series steering wheels. Includes complete step-by-step instructions. Matte black trim pieces. Die-cast hub and Grade 5 hardware. Not for use on any airbag-equipped vehicle. This is the standard Grant steering wheel installation kit. These kits may be used to install all Classic Series, Challenger Series or Signature Series steering wheels. Each kit contains complete step-by-step instructions, a die-cast hub, Grade 5 hardware and matte black trim pieces. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Worked great on my 1986 F150 and new steering wheel. In my application I used the 2-spacer adapter so the horn wiring would fit behind the new steering wheel.